Attention experts. We have a 1970 Buick GS Stage 1, fully documented, numbers match, Concourse Award winner, 398 points out of 400. This is the car. It was owned, restored, and then shown by Dave Kleiner. He is known as the Buick GS expert. He's the man. This was his car. He restored it. He showed the car. It's amazing. I'm going to tell you all about it. You can also go to volocars.com, see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Honestly, it looks better than it did when it was new. This is red glass. Born like you see it, fire red, no vinyl top. The fit and finish is amazing. All the gaps, square, flush. Of course, you have a functional ram air hood. There's not a ripple or a dent or a wave. I don't see a pimple or a blister, anything. This is all pristine with outstanding gaps. No cracks, no anything to apologize for. The jams are all done real nice. Shuts like a new car. Again, no vinyl top, just all beautiful red glass. Quarter panels all the way underneath the bottom are clean. This is all pristine, square, flush, polished like glass. The lines are nice and crisp and clean. Look at that line right there, right around the wheel well lip. I can feel right in there, there's not a bump or a defect. This is all square, flush, slick jams. Shuts like new, no rattles. Outstanding. I would literally say the fit and finish and paint is better than it was when it left the factory. So every piece of chrome and stainless has been restored to show quality. The bezels, the bumper, even the little rubber fillers are on all four corners of the bumpers. T3 headlights, the correct headlights. Show quality chrome, new lenses. The GS grille looks like brand new. Up there is just stunning. Even the marker lights, all the stainless trim, buffed and polished, all the rubber seals and weather strips. And not only is all this stuff new, but everything fits right. All the glass was replaced. The windows, they roll up and down like a hot knife through butter, like no effort at all. And it's all new glass. All the trim is polished, sitting on gorgeous 15-inch chrome Buick GS mags. They look like new. They're wrapped in Polyglass GT G60 15-inch Goodyear tires. See, the back glass is new. And I noticed it even has the right markings. I didn't check the side windows, but the reproduction glass has the right markings from what I see. The lenses, this Buick emblem, the bumper, the little rubber seals I was talking about. Look at the lines. Everything is outstanding. Let's open it up and continue the tour. You're going to want to hear about the engine when we get up there. We got some cool stuff to tell you about that. Like new. Excuse me. Painted beautifully, has the sticker. The jam is painted slick. The weather strip is replaced. And look at this. That let the assembly line worker know to start here, and they work their way around. So that's duplicated like the original. All clean metal, spatter painted. This is a reproduction 15-inch tire on a GS mag. Matches the others. The jack is like brand new. We got the reproduction mat here. His little curl, that'll come out. Excuse me. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. So the jams are beautiful. Weather strips are real nice. Look at the door panel. Not only is it new, but it fits perfectly. The armrest, the handles, all of that has been replaced. Even up by the hinges, it's nice and shiny. You'll be looking at a beautiful dash, a dash to be proud of. The dash pad is mint. All the bezels, the vents, the knobs, the wood grain, everything's beautiful. Has rally gauges and a factory tachometer. All the controls, cigarette lighter, all mint condition. Even the radio Doesn't have any pitting. It's all beautiful. It's all clean, all painted real nice. There's some books in here. New liner. The light works. The levers open and close. Kick panels are mint. Carpet is excellent. It fits real nice. GS Stage 1 mats. An original console in excellent shape. This isn't even worn. Chrome is beautiful. Everything functions right. And I can tell you, sitting on the seats, they're all rebuilt, new cushions, so the material fits beautifully. No wrinkles, new headrests. All the trim on the seats, all replaced. And again, I want to stress everything fits so nice. Now back here, wall to wall, the side panels, the armrests, the window cranks, the upholstery, all of it redone. And if you notice, full set of GM seat belts in the front as well. They look reproduction or they've been restored. They're mint. Has the right mesh tray. The trim around the inside of the back window is real nice. Working lights. Headliners replaced. Real nice, tight fitting. Got the shoulder belts. Visors redone. The mirrors replaced. We have a deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. I just wish all the cars were done this well to this level. Someone will buy this car and keep it. Now we're getting to the motor. It is a genuine Stage 1. It's the original motor, VIN number matched to this car. And although it looks completely stock on the outside, it was balanced, bored, and stroked to a 470 cubic inch. Dyno tuned at 528 horsepower and 581 pounds of torque. Has a level 4 head assembly, jet hot coated Buick shootout exhaust manifolds, and a shootout lightweight intake manifold. It has a restored quadrajet carb, the choke, the tubes, the clips, all correct. Date coated reproduction spark plug wires, the Stage 1 valve covers, ribbed hoses. I mean, everything's correct. Look at how nice all the metals painted. Correct, I think it's called phosphate on the hinges. I don't know if they're reproducing these bottles, but where are you going to find a white overflow bottle in that nice a shape? The right clips, hoses, the right cap. This is an actual Delco battery. I'm always talking about the Delco toppers. That's a plastic topper you put on a new battery. This is an actual Delco reproduction battery with spring clamp cables. Look how every component is outstanding. They took 2 points off out of 400, and I think it had a wrong belt on it is one of the points. All the finishes are smooth, cadmium plated latch. We got the horns. We have the washer system all hooked up. We got power steering. The whole air cleaner assembly with the right hose, the AC Delco hose. I mean, who does stuff like that? Cadmium plated booster, stainless lines, restored wiper motor. You got the screens up there. You got the tag is in place. And then under the hood is all painted real nice, has the hood insulation. This is an outstanding engine compartment. You got numbers matching and you have over 500 horsepower. Michael's going to demonstrate that horsepower for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes. So, body off the frame restored. The underneath is as nice as that motor compartment we just talked about. All completely detailed. Might be a little too glossy. The floors, the frame, all of it just smooth as can be, and it's like a semi-gloss black. And it's outstanding. All of the suspension, steering completely rebuilt, the proper colors. It does have the ride and handling suspension. It has boxed rear control arms, front and rear sway bars. The brake system completely restored. Disc brakes in front. Not all Buick GS's had disc brakes. A lot of them were still drums for some reason. But this has the disc. The exhaust system looks like a factory type exhaust system. It has some sort of coating on it because there's a mild gloss, and the pipe looks a little fatter than it would have been, but generally speaking, it looks original. The fuel system was all replaced, including the tank. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, correct starter. Now it has the VIN number matched turbo 400 automatic. And the tag on the side has BB on it. That's specific for the Stage 1. The factory put a little different twist on the transmissions that went into Stage 1. So this has the famous BB trans. Now, Dave Kleiner took it one step further. As a performance build with special clutch plates, the sprag, the pressure spring, shift modifications. It was deburred, that's so the fluid goes through smoother. Has a 10-inch converter, and then the transmission was dyno tested. So it's a built trans to go with the built motor. Drive shaft's rebuilt. Rear end's been gone through. I didn't confirm the ratio back there yet. I'll have to do that, but it's spotless underneath. This is an outstanding car. I look at thousands of cars, and boy, if they were all this good. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Stage 1 delivered home, which, by the way, the car comes with all sorts of documentation. There's pictures of that on our website. And if you need help with financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.